Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can create a checklist in Trello. So let's get right into it. As you can see, I'm in a board already. I have some lists and I have some tasks or cards within those lists, and I'm going to be showing you guys how you can create a checklist in one of these cards. So first, what we're going to want to do is select the card that we want. I won't select this one since this already has a checklist. As you can see, this symbol here and these numbers represent that there is a checklist. Currently there are 0 of 3 checklist items checked off, so I'll pick task 2, and as you can see to the right under add to cart, you have the option for a checklist. Now here you can call this checklist however you want. I'll just write in some random letters. You can copy items from any of your checklists that you already have and click add. Now once you added the checklist, as you can see, it is completely empty, so just add, I don't know, task 1, task 2, task 3, task 4, task 5. You can click on assign to assign members to this checklist. You can also, if you want, you can set a due date for each of these checklist items. For example, September 18th. You can mention somebody, you can add a reaction, you can convert to card or just delete it if you want. And whenever you check off some of these cards or items, as you can see, the slider goes up for progress, just to tell you where you currently stand. And that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.